Superstar, the grand reveal. Bakit kaya na-sorpresa si Russell sa pag-uwi niya sa Camiguin? Panoorin natin to. Sorry, sapaw pa.
Hey guys, it's Russell here, but we're currently on the way to my hometown of Camiguin, so kita-kita tayo.
Kind of interesting just for a kid like me and so many people to like trying to just see me and that makes them happy. This is incredible.
Russell is bringing the name of Camiguin. We're so proud. He is from Camiguin.
Hello everybody! I was not expecting this many people to come here, but all I really want to say is daghan salamat sa inyo. Hi guys, I just want to introduce all of you to my lovely Lola Singh.
I wish you all the luck. I'm very proud of you.
Because of my visit to Camiguin, mas lalo kong napatunayan that even though I've been living in the States for the majority of my lifetime, mas Pinoy pa rin ang puso ko. To all the people, the family, the friends, and everybody who came out and supported me, and I just want to say, daghan salamat sa inyong tanan.
Mga kapamilya, put your hands together for Russell!
I will leave my heart at the door. I won't say a word. They've all been said before, you know, so why don't we just play pretend like we're not scared of what is coming next? We're scared of having nothing left. Look, don't get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask, all I ask is this. This is my last night with you. Oh, hold me like a boy in just a bed. Give me a memory I can't use. Oh, take me further. Oh, I wish you oh,
Sing, boys! Sing! Russell! Man! Ginalingan nito eh. Minsan, ang sarap. Uwi na, sarap mong patayin.
Ginalingan eh.
Ito na lang, let's hear what the judges have to say about your brilliant performance. Kuya Aga.
Ginalingan nga eh. Di ba? Sobra. Russell, alam mo, mga kapamilya, may sasabihin ako sa inyo lahat. Naalala ko when you first auditioned na nahihirapan ka nang tinanong ka ni Vice, anong ibig sabihin ng lyrics na kinanta mo? And alam ko, ninervous ka noon, feeling mo mawawala ka. Now, imagine that ride mula nung panahon na yon and up to now. Let me, makikiusap ako sa lahat ng mga bumoboto. Please vote for Russell.
Thank you po.
I personally want him for the boy band. We
you so
need
much.
him. Russell, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Kuya Aga. Yeng?
Russell, alam mo, habang binubuo namin ang boy band na to, meron akong mga keywords sa utak ko eh. Merong puso ng boy band, may mukha ng boy band, at ikaw ang boses ng boy band.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Yung musicality mo, sobrang lawak. Grabe lang. Hindi mo lang kami napapahanga dahil sa good looks mo. Pero mainly talaga because of your talent. And I think yun talaga yung weapon mo sa competition na ito. I'm just so proud of you at kung gaano nakalayo ang narating mo, I'm looking forward sa iyong bright future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, judges.
Kami nanalo na.
Uwian.
Ginalingan
Mga
eh.
kapamilya, kung gusto nyo makasama si Russell sa boy band, text PBS space Russell at piliin ang picture niya sa Google when you search for PBS Vote. Ayan, at bago ko buksan ang voting lines for the last time, here's the complete information on how to vote.
Mga kapamilya, hindi nyo nang iboto ang heartthrob na gusto nyong maging boy band member. There are two ways to vote. To vote via text, i-text ang PBS space name of contestant at isend sa 2366 for all networks. Libre ang text para sa ABS-CBN mobile subscribers. Isang boto lang ang mabibilang bawat isang SIM. And to vote via Google, pumunta lang sa google.com.ph at mag-log on gamit ang Google account. I-type ang PBS Vote sa search box at lalabas ang litrato ng contestant. I-click ang picture ng contestant na gusto mong iligtas and click Submit Vote. Isang boto lang ang mabibilang kada isang Google account. Sino ang gusto nyong magpatuloy sa Pinoy Boy Band Superstar?
Nandito na uli ang ating 6 grand finalists. Balikan natin ang kanilang performances. Suffer the light. Like Mali.
Kulang ako. Kulang ako. Umahon ka mula sa putik ng iyong mundo. Nothing I can see but you believe me.
Mga kapamilya, this is it. Your votes together with the judges' scores have the power to change 4 lives tonight. Kaya naman, ilabas na ang mga cellphones, laptops, computers nyo because it's time to vote! Isang espesyal na bisita ang mapapanood natin mamaya. It's the songwriter himself, Mr. Ogie Alcacid, sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Boy Band Superstar.